Today I want to review my Wi-Fi digital microscope by SoShine with you. Check it out. So the brand is called SoShine, and it is a Wi-Fi digital camera for a microscope, and it'll shoot still pictures or video. So right out of the box, you have the camera itself, you have the eyepiece, and then you have different adapters to fit different sized microscopes and the charging cable. Remove both the caps, and you'll see that the eyepiece is threaded, so you're actually going to screw it onto the back of the camera. And the camera features an on and off switch. It features focus buttons here. And then you're going to remove one of the eyepieces on your microscope, and you're just going to slide it right in just like this. Now, although this is rechargeable, I find for video, it really needs a lot of power. And so you want to plug it in and keep it plugged in while you're running it as a video camera. So here's a slide that I made with a blood sample, and it's very easy to shoot video where you can get very clear images or take still shots. And of course, I had to take some still shots of protozoa. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.